All right, so welcome to another video. Today I want to share with you a trade setup on Zoom. We're going to go ahead and do kind of a quick little discussion about it and give you some thoughts and takes and just get into some things. Now, if you want to go ahead and check out some of the other things I do with people, go ahead and visit the Traders Fly website. You can take a look at the coaching and mentoring page over here under the coaching section and learn a lot more. All right, so let's get started. We're going to go ahead and do a quick little 90-second trade for Zoom. So we'll see if I can wrap this up in about 90 seconds. Zoom is looking to kind of push into this $120 price point. So what we're looking to do is either A, you have the breakout, or you're looking for it to reject and break down. Now I will trade it from the upside, meaning in the bullish sense, because most people are trading that way. So I'll show you the trade setup here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go into our trade tab. I'm going to go type in the ticker symbol Zoom. You can hit enter, and we are going to double check where the earnings are always on this. The earnings are on 8/29, so we don't have to worry about it. Then what we will do is go in right here, go to about a 30-day, and we're going to do 30 and 37. We're going to do a diagonal on it. We don't want to trade too close to the earnings. So we'll go to the 30-day. I will go right at the money for now as a starting point, buy a diagonal, and then we'll go in, evaluate the trade. And now you can see it's rotated a little more to the bearish side. If I want to go bullish, I'll just rotate it a little bit more this way, right here. And now you can take your pick how aggressive you want to be. Lightly aggressive, more aggressive, and there we go. So we've got ourselves a trade on Zoom. Now, what you're basically doing here is you got 2.4, almost 2.5 shares. You got a theta of 1.4. and a vega of 1.45. So if we were looking to say, hey, let's use about $1,000 or so, I got about 7 contracts right here. You could do something like this. And this way, as it runs up, you slowly start peeling things off into strength. You've got a handful of shares. So, you know, as it's starting to get into this zone, start taking things off. As it starts getting over here, taking more off. And then the other way is, let's say we are pulling back, because now we're looking to kind of take a little bit of heat. So if this continues to pull back, what you could do is either set a stop right here. So that would be kind of a stop at the break-even point. You could also look to turn this into later a double diagonal or sell some verticals against it. So this would be kind of my thought and plan, is that now I could go into the 16-day, maybe by then it'll only be 10-day. And then what I can do is sell something above where my strikes are. So somewhere around, let's say, 124 in this case, and 126. And then what I can do is sell some of that premium like this and sell 1 or 2 to kind of cut my delta back down. Because if my delta is going down right here, so if my price is going down, my delta is picking up speed, I want to go ahead and sell some more premium to slow down that problem and just collect a little bit more premium to offset the losses there. So there you go. That's a plan or trade idea on Zoom from a base level and how you might trade it. And, you know, take it further, either to the upside, peeling off into strength, or to the downside, using the break even as a stop or selling something against it. I hope that helps. Truly appreciate you joining me for this trade idea and strategy. I try to make these a little bit quick. We'll see if you guys like these, then we'll continue to make a few more of these. So thanks again for joining me. Enjoy the rest of the week ahead, and I'll see you on the next one.